Hello YouTube. So I'm gonna teach you how to open a maruchan and cook them. Alright. So it's chicken flavor. Sour pollo. Alright. So first you wanna open it. I forgot to tell you guys. Where's the maruchan? Right here. It says, do I see? Right here. It says do not microwave. I'm gonna microwave it. Alright. So take off the wrapper. Yeah, it's already open because, you know, I deleted the footage. I don't know why. So then you want to open it until the little line, because I don't like them. You want to put some water in. So I just like to put the little line, the water, into the little line. I don't know if you guys can see, but I cover it. And you open the microwave. Then you put it in, say bye-bye. Then you want to put 3 minutes. So now, while we are, the sopa is getting ready, you want to cut the lemons. Let's go. Alright. So I'm gonna put lemons, tomatoes. I got lemon here. Look at this one. This is right. Ow! Lemon. You wanna cut it. So you wanna get your thing, and be careful. Do not cut yourself up. And that's how you get lemons. So you want to be ready when this gets here. Oh. Alright. So now it's all ready. And you open it. And you want to squeeze those lemons in there. There. It looks like it doesn't have water, but it really does. Once I do this. Here, see the water. Alright. You know you're Mexican if you got tapatio. Woo! Oh. Right. Get your tapatio ready. This is my baby. Don't touch it. Gimme. Don't touch it. Alright, so yeah. Then you want to put your tapatio. Your tapatio, man. This is how you do it. Drop that in there. Yup. All that mess. And then you want to mix it. See all that nice juice in there. Yep, I smell the tapatio now. Alright, so that's how you do an instant lunch on maruchan without doing it in the stove if you didn't pay the gas and they took it off, or you don't have money, or you know, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Or you're barely moving into a new house, right? So that's you eat one. Okay, I'm not getting sponsored for this. I just wanted to, like, I don't get points or nothing, you know. I just thought it was gonna be fun to do this. You know? It's fun. So let's try this hot first. That tough. hot. This is glory. Alright, so yeah, that's how you make one. It's very good. You should go buy some. They're like, what, 25 cents each? Me. Or 50 or 5 cents, I don't know. Just go buy some, they're good. Alright, so thanks for watching this, guys. If you want more videos like this, just follow me. Or you know, what am I guys saying? Right? Just subscribe on the little red button down there, or you know, just do it because I'm cool in making stuff. I know there's a lot of cooking channels, but you know, simple stuff. Starting from I'll make a. If you want me to make, I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna go to USA. I'm in Mexico right now, so I'm gonna travel. I live in Mexico. You know. I said I was gonna make 3 English and 2 videos of Spanish. 3 English and 2 Spanish. It was like Monday English, Tuesday Spanish, Wednesday English, Thursday Spanish, and Friday English, and yeah, vlogs. I'm gonna do vlogs. So this is gonna be my cooking channel, or you know. Yeah, just follow me, guys. Please subscribe. Alright, so I'll make a travel essential. Wait. So I'm gonna make a travel essential video. I'm not gonna tell you, right? If you know that. I'm gonna take what I'm gonna take on my travel. I'm gonna go on a road trip though. Go on the road. Alright, so yeah. May the peace be in your heart.